Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Instagram or try again later. So for fixing it, first thing you need to understand that mostly you just receive this error because you just make too much actions at one time. So it can be liking or commenting or just following too many people, so you just need to wait some time. So it's temporary block, so Instagram will unblock your account. Sometimes it can take for a few hours, sometimes few days. It depends on situation, but also you need to know that you just need to wait, and after Instagram will unblock the section for you. So also you can try another thing, so you can try to go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, if you receive this error on Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data, and if you receive this error on mobile data, try to use Wi-Fi. So just try to change your network. And also you can try to use another device, so if you have another device, just try to use another device. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.